Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your device model and Android version so you know available options and menu names. Next, open Settings and check alarm and media volume levels. Make sure Do Not Disturb isn't blocking alarms. Once done, open your clock app, tap an existing alarm, and verify the selected alarm sound and that the clock app has permission to override Do Not Disturb. These initial checks prevent chasing the wrong settings and let you focus on the real fixes quickly. If the basic checks didn't help, restart the phone to clear transient errors. If alarms still fail, boot into safe mode and test to rule out third-party interference. Make sure the clock app's cache is cleared or reset app settings to remove corrupt preferences. If using a custom ringtone, replace it with a supported MP3 or OGG stored in Alarms or Notifications folder and reselect it in the alarm. These steps address app-level issues and faulty media that commonly break alarm playback. Finally, update Android system and the clock app to patch known bugs. Test alarms after each update. If issues persist, install a reputable third-party alarm app to determine if the problem is system-wide. As a last resort, consider a factory reset after backing up data. Make sure battery optimization is disabled for the clock app and that it can bypass Do Not Disturb. If alarms still fail, this permission or aggressive power management is usually the culprit. Change settings and retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.